Namaskar, Ashish Mittal from Aarsun Woods, and in this video, we are discussing about living room furniture, a sofa set. We'll discuss about all these things that are required, that in fact you should keep in mind when you are thinking about a sofa set of a living room. And I'm sure after this video, you will have all the points clear and some finer points that you may not have think about. And any showroom person or any other furniture vendor will not tell you about these points, but these are very, very important because that is your living room is a showcase. It's not a showcase for you or yourself, but the people who are coming in. And this showcases your standard, your idea, your style of living. That is really important because anybody who is coming from outside will see how you have decorated your living room, how is your choice, what type of colors you see, and this all makes an impression, and this is what we are trying to do here. And I'll clear all those points regarding the sizes, the design part, the fabric part, the color part, how much space you need, and the double carving, an interesting concept I have explained earlier. I explain again too, but let's see this design first, and you will see a beautiful design, amazing design here. And the kind of work that you are looking at here, you can compare with any country, any country that is known for carving furniture like Turkey, Egypt, Italy, even China. And this kind of work is getting done right here in India, in a small city, by local artisans, master artisans, by hand. This is all hand carving. This is not any machine, no CNC, no resin. Why I'm saying so? Because most furniture that you get from the Middle East or from Italy or from these different locations, they've started using a lot of resin. I'll explain that about a little later. What is the difference? How it is done? There's an entire process that's very different from the real teak wood. But let's see this design first. Three units of three seaters and two single chairs, along with a center table and two side tables, as you can see. If you look at this sofa, it has got a curve on the handles on both the sides. And when we have got curves, the size of the unit goes a little bigger. This is a little more than 7.5 feet. Back height is 52 inches. And front to back, this is 32 inches, a little wider, a little higher, and that is the royal concept, the concept of a Maharaja sofa. I'll sit in the middle and you can see the crown part, the overall look, and the design here. And when I go on a side, it shows you the complete area that we have. I'll discuss about the seating part also, this cut you see and how the seating is made, the designing part, the fabric part. And this video alone would be enough to explain all the points. And I'm sure if you see this video completely, now this is 7.5 feet as I mentioned in the back height. Back height is really important in a Maharaja sofa because this crown, if you see this crown, this is the basic concept. If we look at any crown of a Maharaja, or we look at a throne of any Maharaja, what you will see is this crown pattern. And this crown is the basic of all the Maharaja furniture. When you have straight back, it becomes a regular or a modern or a designer furniture, but not the Maharaja look that we are looking for. And similarly, the chair part. And the chair, I'll move a little like this. The width, we have got space, the handle part, and the important part is they're deeper. So we can put an extra cushion or a throw pillow, and that makes extra space for us, and we can sit very comfortably. And again, the look part that I'm talking about, this is the most important thing that we look in a Maharaja unit. Now coming to the table is 3 feet square, and it's a different design. As you can see, we have got double legs on both the sides, total 8 legs, and such a beautifully carved leg. You can see a 360-degree complete turning, and all the design on the legs and in the carving work. A center table is 18 inches high, and similarly we have got a side stool. I'll put it right here. A side stool is 20 inches high. This is a standard setup. But if you are going to use a side stool for some decoration purpose, like you want to keep a vase or some murti or some designer thing on the side, generally they can go a little higher also. That is completely the choice part. So you can see the complete design of the three-seater from the front. And you can see a beautiful carving work right here, the leg in the middle, and this entire design. And similarly, we have got a design in the center. This is again a different thing in this set because generally you see a complete back or a completely carved back. We have got a design in the middle, and this is generally the design of Egyptians, and from that side where the design is quite exclusive. quite enhanced and not very simple. So this is the whole setup we have. And about the double carving part, I'll cover right here, because what happens is when you are putting the set, your sofa set right in the middle of the room, it has got visibility from all the sides. I can see from this side, I can see from this side in a bigger room. Now this is going to the wall. On this side, we don't have visibility. But if this the same set is on the that side, like I'll show you the three-seater we have kept on this side. So you can see the back carving entirely. And this back carving is the most unique thing in hand carved furniture. And this is entirely the look that we are looking at here right now that makes it different. The back carving and the amazing look that we get out of this. I'll show you the chair, this chair, all the back carving of this chair. And again, a beautiful and nice work that makes it outstanding work that we are talking about. And this is not the only work. We have done more than 3,000 videos, different design, different setups, different patterns, different colors, and everything as per client's requirement. That is the most important part. Now coming on to sizes. See, when we have a three-seater, and two chairs, if you see, if you're looking at this kind of setup, what you need to understand is this wall, the length of this wall, when you're keeping it, you need some space always, because if I push this set right here, right on this edge, it will not be comfortable. So this set and this set needs some space. So 7.5 feet if this set is, then we at least need a couple of feet here and couple of feet that side. So around 10.5 feet or 11 feet on this wall to keep this kind of sofa. Like you're putting a regular three-seater, 6.5 feet or 7 feet, add a couple of feet or 1.5 feet, and that makes sense. That makes it comfortable. And then similarly on this side and this side. So you can easily calculate how many seater set you require in your room. On the wall, on the sides, simply the simple formula is the size of the unit. We have sizes of every unit on our website. Size of the unit plus add 1.5 feet on this side, 1.5 feet on this side. That is enough, and that makes the size. Similarly for this one, similarly for this one. Very simple calculation, and you can calculate yourself, and you know how many seater set you require, and that will fit in your room. Now coming on to the table part. See, when you have big sofa, the tables don't generally work for everybody. They are mostly for the decoration right in the middle, because very big tables are very difficult to move, and generally we have to clean and we have to move the table. It becomes very difficult. You need a couple of people to keep moving the table. Now in this case, what we do is we make a smaller table for the middle. So when I'm sitting here, it's accessible, and I'm sitting here, I can still access it from that side also. The access is a little far, but we can still access it. But when you are sitting on that side, see, I'm sitting on this one, and this table is not accessible for me. So what is the best idea? I'll show you. These side tables, they work amazingly well. You can keep it here, you can keep it on this side, I can move it here. So two people, so my coffee, my servings, I can keep here, and it makes complete sense. So side tables are really a nice thing to have, so they can be easily moved around, because bigger tables are generally not preferred. I'll not suggest you, but if you want, definitely we can make any size. We have make very big tables, almost the size of the dining table, big 6 by 3 big tables right in the middle. But that is again your choice. But generally, the smaller table works well. This is a plain table, plain top. If you want carving on the top, we can do that. If you want open with a frame, we can provide that. You want a provision for the marble, onyx, granite on top of it, we can provide you the provision also. Generally, these fragile items like onyx, marble, glass, mirrors, we don't provide, because generally inside India, they're almost a similar price and you can get it anywhere. So that is not very difficult. So, but outside India, we do send, because it's very difficult to get people and make all the stuff. So outside India, we do provide all these things, because the shipping is quite different. But in India, you can get it locally easy. If you want us, we can provide you, but fragile items do need a little care in handling. Now this is about the designing part. Now coming on to the fabric part. Fabric is one thing that can make the entire set look very different. Now let's talk about the fabric part. See, fabric is the most important thing in any furniture item where fabric is required, because it changes the look entirely. It can be a contrast, it can be matching, it can be any other color, dual color. Just like you see sitting here, it's in parts, it's in two parts. So if you want a single seating, you want more parts in this, that's are the choices and as per the requirement. You want a different fabric at the back, different fabric on the seat, you want handles of a different color. All these are choice parts, and you can understand it better than me because that is your choice part. I may like black, you may like blue, green, any other color. Your entire combination is giving some other vibe. You want some matching to the wallpaper at the back, or the ceiling, or the carpet matching. All these things do make sense when you choose it yourself, and that changes the look entirely. And fabric has got millions and millions of options. There's no limit to the fabrics and no limit to the cost as well. So you choose and let us know, this is the pattern I'm looking for, and in the range that we provide we'll give you the options. If you're looking for very costly fabric, that is charged extra, or you can send it yourself also, and we use that. We have done it earlier. Now about the color of the unit itself. Color means this paint color I'm talking about. Now from that distance, if you look, you can see every cutting, every carving, and this is the beauty of antique gold color, because every part is highlighted, and this is our most favorite and most liked color across the globe, because this is not very shiny. This doesn't make very loud furniture, but the output is amazing, and this is Duco paint. There are majorly two things in furniture about the colors of the wood. This teak wood, as I mentioned earlier, I'll come to the resin point also. This teak wood, solid teak wood, there are two things. One is wood polish. Now, wood polish is basically lacquer based polish, that is also called PU polish, because PU is the last coat that is done on every furniture. And PU can be gloss, matte, high gloss, or semi matte. All these are PU options. So the final output you can let us know, and we accordingly do that. So PU polish, lacquer polish, PU is the final coat. Now coming to the polish and the Duco part. Polish has got a few colors like the natural finish, as you the wood color is the natural, then a little dark walnut, then you can go for very dark color, and this has got several shades in the middle. A little dark, a little lighter, all these things can be done. Then cherry, mahogany, and these all polish colors, different shades. Moving from the polish, the latest that is more trending and more in demand is the paint color. And paint has got unlimited options. You can pick any random color and you can let us know, and we'll do that. Recently, client has picked from a particular company's shade card one particular color, and we have done that. We are doing it for different clients. This one is our most liked color, and then we have several colors like white, off-white, marble white, in white also several colors, several patterns, and then we have got dual shade, triple shade, then we have got gold, silver, and rose gold, black we have done, and green we have done, multiple colors we have done, multiple shades like pink, blue, green, these things we have done, the champagne gold, the rush gold, and then there is gold leafing, the leafing part. And leafing is the most royal thing that is in this furniture category that people accept as the most royal thing. And leafing, gold leafing, silver leafing, antique gold leafing, all this we have done for several furniture items, and the videos are on YouTube. So color, polish, and the fabric, the sizes, the number of seats. You want one three-seater, we'll provide that. You want multiple, just like this one, three-seater, we provide that. Then you want a different concept altogether. You want a divan, you want a settee, you want to add a jhula. That's one interesting concept. If you put a jhula along with any sofa set, it makes the room entirely different. Such amazing look, and we call it choice wala furniture. That is your choice, what you like. We don't give you what we have. We'll make it what you like. You tell us. So complete customization and complete choice right here at Aarsun. And three most important points about Aarsun. Aarsun makes teak wood furniture, as I mentioned, not resin. If you go to Google and check the resin furniture, you will see how they are making and what is the process of resin. The difference basic is, once the resin furniture, any part gets broken, the entire unit is wasted. They cannot be repaired. Wood can be repaired any number of times. Any number of times you can change the color, you can change the fabric, and it looks like this. Teak wood is the best wood considered for furniture, for its durability, for its non-termite. The termite issues is never in teak wood, and the the quality, the color, because it looks beautiful when you have the teak wood furniture, and it's really the most durable thing that elders can get and can be passed on to generations. So this is another point: teak wood, not resin, real teak wood, hand carving, and factory price. We are making it here. You are receiving at your home, not just in India. 55 countries we are delivering to. Arson is an international trademark registered in 35 countries, and we are delivering all across right to your home. So you get the best price right from the factory, best deals, best quality, and your choice. What else is left? Safe delivery. And you can go to our website, check the testimonial section, see thousands of pictures there, and you will see the safe delivery, because this is all we have already delivered. People have clicked photos, sent it back to us. We have pasted on it on our website. So this is just so much work we can show you on the YouTube and the testimonials on the website. Real work, not some copied pictures from the internet. The real work is right here. You choose, let us know, and we'll make it for you as per your requirement, delivered to your home at factory price in India or outside India. The number is right here. We'll be happy to discuss your requirement. Thank you. Dhanyavad.